Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Netflix using a remote control on your TV. I'm going to show you two different methods. Method number one usually works, but if it's not available to you for some reason, method number two always works. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're currently on Netflix. So method number one is to scroll to the left using a remote controller till the side menu pops up, and then scroll all the way down till you see notifications, and then slide over once till you see get help. Select enter, and you can scroll down here till you see sign out, select enter, and that's all there is to it. Now method number one isn't always available to everyone, but I'm going to show you a cool little hack to get to this menu if you do not see it. So using your remote controller and the up, down, left, and right buttons, all you have to do is go up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. And as you can see, the menu will appear magically, and you can scroll down to Netflix sign out, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.